Good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming to Music and Movement. My name is Adam. Welcome, and we are going to get started with our first song, Can You Sing High? So I'll put those words up on the screen there, and the part that's underlined in black is my part, so I'll sing that first, and then every time I sing something, you guys will respond with the words that are highlighted in yellow, and I'll play your part for you as you sing. Okay? So here we go. Can you sing high? Can you sing low? Can you sing fast? Can you sing slow? Are you ready? Are you set? Let's go. All right. That one's always a lot of fun. Okay. So, usually this is where I show you an instrument, but I forgot my instrument today. So, we're definitely going to use one, but I'm going to have to remedy that a little later on. So, we'll get to the instrument, but for now we're going to go right into our songs. And the first one is the Hokey Pokey. So, everybody stand up, get your dancing feet ready. And we're going to sing the Hokey Pokey, and we're going to start, I think, with our left foot. So ready, put your left foot in. Okay? Ready? You put your left foot in, you take your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey, and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now let's do our right foot. You put your right foot in, you take your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey, and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now let's do our left hand. You put your left hand in, you take your left hand out, you put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Alright, I think we're missing our right hand, so let's put our right hand in. You put your right hand in, you take your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now we're going to put our whole self in, so jump right on in. You put your whole self in, you take your whole self out, you put your whole self in, and you shake it all about. You do the Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. All right, fun stuff. Everybody loves the Hokey Pokey. All right, so we're going to move on to our next song, and this one is Old Macdonald. So for this one, we have to think of some farm animals. Let's think. Got some good ones? All right, so I'm going to start with a pig. And a pig says what? Oink, oink, that's right. All right, ready, Old Macdonald. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a, let's do a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This time let's maybe do a big animal, a big farm animal, like a cow. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, now let's do a really small animal. What's a small animal that might be on a farm? Like a mouse. And on that farm he had a mouse, E-I-E-I-O, with a squeak, squeak here and a squeak, squeak there. Here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere a squeak, squeak. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's do one more. What chases a mouse? A cat, and it says meow. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, so good job with Old Macdonald. I bet you guys have some really good farm animals that you thought of at home, and you can keep on singing with them. Okay, so now we're going to do, for our last song, the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And so here at the library, we like to do 2 verses for this song. First, we have the Itsy Bitsy Spider, and he crawls up the water spout. And then after that verse, we do Big Brother Spider. So we go a little lower and use a big, silly, deep voice. We use our big hands to make our spider, okay? So let's try it out. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right. Now I gotta go lower for Big Brother Spider. Ready, big, silly, deep voice. The Big Brother Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Big Brother Spider went up the spout again. That's pretty silly, right? Big Brother Spider. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our movement activity, but that involves a new song, which is always fun. So I'm gonna teach you guys that new song with the piano, and then, like I said, I forgot my instrument. I gotta go get one. So let's try with the piano first. I'm gonna shake, shake until I hit the floor. I'm gonna shake, shake till I can shake no more. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. Just like that. Okay? So we're going to sing that song with lots of different words and with one of my favorite instruments, a maraca. So if you guys have never seen a maraca before, it's the one that you hold in your hand and you shake it. So this song is perfect for maracas. But I forgot my maraca, so I'm going to have to go grab some things around the house and see if I can, or around the library rather, and see if I can make one. And then we'll get started with our song. So see you in a sec. Okay, guys, so now we're going to do our song. We're going to shake, or I'm going to shake, rather. And you need 3 things to be successful with this song. First, space. So I moved away from the piano. I've got more space. Second, a maraca, of course. And if you don't have one, that is totally okay. You can try to make one at home with some adult help and supervision. Or you can listen along with the video and use my maraca. Okay? And you need a place to sit. If you notice the words, they say, and when I'm done, I'll sit back down. So I'm going to use this chair to sit on. Okay? So our first part is I'm going to shake. Ready? Okay, so I'm going to start us off. I'm going to go 1, 2, I'm going to shake. Ready? 1, 2, I'm gonna shake, shake until I hit the floor. I'm gonna shake, shake till I can shake no more. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. All right, and so that's how that goes. Okay, so now we're gonna try it with a new motion. I'm gonna hold the maraca in my hand and I'm gonna do something different with my body and see what kind of sounds it makes. See, it's doing it right now. Okay? So, now we're going to jump. All right? So we're gonna hold our maracas in our hand. We're gonna jump. Ready? 1, 2, I'm gonna jump, jump until I hit the floor. I'm gonna jump, jump till I can jump no more. I'm gonna jump, jump, jump until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. All right, so that's how that goes. Okay, so now let's see if we can try it with a different motion. All right, so now we're gonna try to stomp. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit like jumping, but instead of jumping both feet in the air, we're gonna do 1 foot at a time. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, I'm gonna stomp, stomp until I hit the floor. I'm gonna stomp, stomp till I can stomp no more. I'm gonna stomp, stomp, stomp until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. There we go. Stomping seemed to work pretty cool. It kind of gave us 2 little sounds on every beat. Okay, so now we're going to clap. This is one of my favorite ones. It's super easy, and it makes a different sound with the maraca because we're used to hearing just the beats, but now it makes a different sound whenever our hand is touching the outside of it. So, this is pretty cool. Ready? So, clapping. Ready? 1, 2. I'm gonna clap, clap until I hit the floor. I'm gonna clap, clap till I can clap no more. I'm gonna clap, clap, clap until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It gives us a little bit of a different sound. All right, so it looks like our last one is going to be sway. So we're going to sway with our arms real big, and I'm going to stay seated because I think if I stand up, then you won't be able to see my arms anymore. It'll be out of the camera. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna sway, sway till I hit the floor. I'm gonna sway, sway till I can sway no more. I'm gonna sway, sway, sway until the sun goes down. And when I'm done, I'll sit back down. And here I am. Good job, guys. So that's the cool thing about maracas. You do different stuff with your body and they make different sounds. All right, so speaking of different sounds, we're going to head back over to the piano and we'll sing our last couple of songs and say goodbye. Okay, well, wasn't that so much fun? Yeah, I like the maraca. I like to shake around and dance with it and stuff. So, like I showed you, you can make one really easy with some stuff around your house. Get some help from from some grown-ups, and then you'll have a maraca to play with. Okay, so now I want to show you a couple of books. First is this book called Nifty, Thrifty Music Crafts, and I pulled this out of our nonfiction section. Its call number is 745.5, and that section has a bunch of these crafting books. It's got all sorts of crafts. So I found a music one, and it showed me how to make that maraca. So if you guys want to come look at some crafting books, that's where you'll find them. And then there's this other book that is one of my favorites. I think we've done this in one of Music and Movement. It's called Play Me Some Music, and this is from our music section and our easy readers. And I just like it because it's colorful. It shows this marching band, and it's fun. It shows lots of different instruments. And so this is a good one if you want to have your maraca and shake it around and read a story at the same time. Stuff like this is a good pick for you. Okay, so that's all we have today. We're going to close up with our last two songs, the first of which is The More We Read Together. So you put your hands together like a book, and we'll sing together. The more we read together, 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 the more we read together, the smarter we'll be. 'Cause books make us smarter, and smart kids go farther. The more we read together, the smarter we'll be. All right, and then our last song is See You Later Alligator. And so we'll put that one up on the screen for you, and just act out the animals as we sing what they are, okay? See you later, alligator, bye-bye, butterfly. Give a hug, ladybug, be sweet parakeet. Blow a kiss, goldfish, see you soon, raccoon. Take care, polar bear, out the door, dinosaur. Alrighty, thanks for joining me, guys, and we'll see you alligators later.